Welcome home to Cameron Trace, a McKee Homes community. Building with McKee Homes means a family-friendly neighborhood with plenty of opportunities to personalize your home to really make it your own. Cameron Trace is centrally located in the heart of Wilmington with easy access to everything the area has to offer. It's minutes from downtown, minutes to Wrightsville Beach, and convenient to great parks, shopping, restaurants, and much more.
At Cameron Trace, we offer beautiful single and two-story family homes with many included selections that would be upgrades with other builders. Every home is part of our Smart Move program, which includes smart energy features like programmable thermostats, low-E windows, energy-efficient lighting, and improved insulation. We install USB charging stations, Take's in-wall pest control system, and Apple HomeKit compatible devices for smart living. And to make a smart investment, we include a 210 home buyer's warranty with 2-year systems and 10-year structural protection from the nation's leading home warranty company.
Choose one of 7 floor plans from about 1,800 to over 2,900 square feet. Inside, you'll find stainless steel appliances and granite countertops with tile backsplashes, with options for quartz countertops and glass tile backsplashes. 9-foot ceilings are featured on the first floor, and many plans have flex rooms suitable for office space, parlors, or dens. On the exterior, we have low-maintenance vinyl siding available in a variety of styles and colors. And here at Cameron Trace, we build your house in a cool coastal style, which complements the breezy living enjoyed in our community. The Wilmington area boasts lots of history, with a battleship North Carolina right there on the Cape Fear River. Downtown Wilmington, with its colonial and Victorian buildings, houses, and neighborhoods, has a vibrant cultural and nightlife scene.
Cameron Trace is quiet but accessible because it's tucked away from the hustle and bustle, but you're still right in the middle of everything. You're just off Market Street, which is miles and miles of shopping, restaurants, and everything you could want. To the west of us, you've got downtown. You've got great beaches like Wrightsville Beach, Surf City, and Topsail. And of course, to the south is famous Carolina Beach, with its boardwalk and beach town flavor. There's just so much, so close by. It's what I call coastal convenience.
With a great location nestled in the heart of beautiful Wilmington, minutes from everything you want, settle into a home just right for you in Cameron Trace. Great place, great life. McKee Homes.